York. Let's move it to Australia, where ANZ Banking Group is moving closer to buying Royal Bank of Scotland units across the Asia Pac. And this after RBS posted the biggest loss in British corporate history. Let's get more on this story. And Bloomberg's Zeb Eckhart joins us from Hong Kong. And Zeb, these assets worth about $1.5 billion reportedly.
Susan, $1.5 billion. And we're told that there are at least two bidders here. Let's first start it off with ANZ Bank. Sources tell Bloomberg ANZ plans to buy RBS's retail and commercial banking units in Hong Kong, Indonesia, Singapore, Taiwan, and Vietnam. Now, for Australia's ANZ, this is a chance to expand its presence across the Asia Pac. It already has more investments in Asia than its Australian rivals. But let's see how ANZ stacks up against those rivals, and we take a look at return on equity for Australia's major banks. ANZ coming in last at 14%. At the top of that list is Westpac. It's Australia's biggest bank by market value. It's followed in ROE by Commonwealth Bank and National Australia Bank. Well, a quick look at the year-to-date share performance of these banks. Commonwealth Bank leading the pack. Its shares up more than 32%, closer to 33% at this point. Westpac and ANZ banks filling out the list. Westpac there nearly 17% year-to-date. ANZ up nearly 6.5% year-to-date. And at the bottom there, National Australia Bank with a 4.79% increase in its shares. Now, Susan, Standard Chartered Bank is also said to be in the bidding for RBS's units in China as well as Malaysia.
Yeah, that chart you just pulled up really shows the banking health of Australian banks whose economy has escaped recession and looks to be coming out of any doldrums probably the fastest across the Asia Pac.
Certainly so, and we'll be watching to see if those gains continue, Susan.
Thank you so much. Zeb Eckhart on the latest on ANZ and possibly tying up with RBS and buying those units across the Asia Pac.